My legs. Oh my God, my legs were broken. Now they're not broken. What is happening? What the hell are you?
I am Venom, and you are mine.
You bit somebody's head off.
Fuel in the tank. Listen carefully, Eddie. You did not find us. We